Hey guys, this is Nick with PhoneArena, and the new Nokia 7 Plus just got announced at MWC. We had the chance to play with it for a while, and we think that this could be another great Nokia phone at a very competitive price. The Nokia 7 Plus is a solid device made of metal at the back and glass at the front. It isn't exactly beautiful, but it looks and feels nice, especially with those contrasting accents giving it character. The screen is pleasing to look at. It is a tall 18:9 display with high resolution, and it did look pretty good to the naked eye. At the back there is a fingerprint scanner right below the camera. Just like all of Nokia's smartphones, the 7 Plus runs a clean version of Android. The phone is actually a part of the Android One program, so you know that it has no bloatware of any kind and will be getting quick updates for the next couple of years. And the demo unit that I checked out ran pretty well, with only some minor lags when browsing heavy web pages. This dual camera at the back is going to be one of the phone's key selling features. One of these is a regular camera, while the other is a telephoto one providing 2x optical zoom. Nokia's both mode is also available, meaning that you can shoot with both the front and the main camera at the same time. And with Pro mode, you can take manual control over the camera settings and change things like shutter speed or color temperature. In conclusion, the new Nokia 7 Plus could be one of the better options at the $400 price point. This might not be the phone for you if you want something flashy, but if you want a phone that has the essentials covered, this could be one worth checking out. Thanks for watching guys, and visit PhoneArena.com for more coverage from MWC 2018.